Back in August, we said that two of the greatest gifts we could give each other were each other's health and a semester together in residence on campus. And we've been able to do that. Congratulations and thanks to everybody. To be sure, we had some bumps in the road along the way. We had some disagreements. But in the end, we were able to give each other these gifts because we cared for each other. Lovey and I are so grateful to everybody who has made this possible. To our students who persevered through a difficult and unusual semester. To our faculty and staff who worked so hard and with such devotion. To the families of our students. To the families of our faculty and staff who stood with us all through this. To everybody who has supported the college, including our alumni and most especially our dedicated Board of Trustees. Now, make no mistake, spring's going to be hard. So please take some time during this break to recharge. It does seem, though, that we're on the road to controlling this pandemic. And until then, I know that we'll show the same determination and the same caring that's brought us thus far. Lovey and I are so grateful and so proud to be a part of this community of noble Scots, and we wish everybody a restful and joyous holiday season. Thank you.